Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another free online course for you, which is free Python course with certificate, Python for data science and machine learning. Register now. So before moving on to the details of free Python course with certificate, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all of the type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving on to free Python course with certificate. So this course is provided by Udemy, which is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. They are providing a free certified online Python and machine learning for everyone to become a hero from zero during the lockdown. Free Python required for data science details. Requirements: no programming knowledge required because they'll teach you. You just need a computer or a mobile phone with an internet connection to access course material. The course also covered fundamental of programming such as decision control, loop operators, data types, and more so that beginners can also understand. What will you learn during the course? Hands-on skill in data insights, visualization, collections, pandas, data frames, matrix operation, multi-dimensional arrays, case study, high-level walkthrough, visual plots, Seaborn for basic visualizations, Matplotlib for basic visualization, installing Anaconda and launching Jupyter, fundamentals of programming such as decision control, loop operator, data type, etc., creating identifier operators, and much more. This is the course content, the timing, and the lectures. Who this course is for? So anyone who wants to start with basic Python required for machine learning and data science, anyone who wants to upskill then into machine learning and data science, managers who want to upskill them for high paying data jobs, production support engineers, beginner Python developer curious about data visualization, data analytics or business analytics. So this course includes 3 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, certificate of completion, how to register for Python and machine learning online course. So you have 3 steps for that. First is you have to sign up on Udemy if you do not have an account. If you have an account, then log in with your previous account details. Second is you have to click on the link which we have provided. And third is you have to apply the coupon code. So let's click on the link and we'll move to another website which will be the official website of Udemy. So as you can see, this course is a paid course. So we have to click on apply coupon and enter the coupon code here which is given in our website. Once you enter the coupon code, you can see that you can pursue this paid course for free. Now you have to click on enroll now and you will move to another web page. So you see you can start your course by clicking here anytime. Moving on to Fresher Camp website. This coupon code can expire soon, so you have to register as soon as possible. We have provided all the details like description, contents, and all the links for applying in our website. You can also refer to the website if you have any queries. Link for free Python course with certification is provided in the description. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.